বাংলার রূপকে বিশ্ব দরবারে পৌঁছে দিতে বদ্ধপরিকর কলকাতার সেন্সেশনাল ফ্যাশন ডিজাইনার অগ্নিমিত্রা পল। ব্র্যান্ড বেঙ্গলের বালুচরী তাঁত জুটে সমৃদ্ধ তার অনবদ্য শাড়ি এবং চুড়িদারের কালেকশন তিনি মেলে ধরলেন বেঙ্গল ফ্যাশন উইকের মঞ্চে। রূপে গুণে বৈভবে ঠমকে চমকে র্যাম্প মাতালেন মিনিস্টার শশী পাঁজা থেকে শুরু করে স্পোর্টস পার্সোনালিটি পৌলমী ঘটক এবং বাংলার গর্ব ঋতুপর্ণা সেনগুপ্ত। বেঙ্গল ফ্যাশন উইকের দ্বিতীয় পর্ব তাই সাজানো রইল বেস্ট অফ অগ্নিমিত্রার ব্র্যান্ড বেঙ্গল কালেকশনে।
ভালোবেসে কাছে এসে সোহাগ বলে কাছে এসে গড়িয়ে আমার শূন্য ডালারে
To bring you a special
the four textiles of Bengal, mainly jute, kantha, baluchari and Hulia Dhakai, making modern outfits out of it, and of course saris are there. I love Bengal's textiles and I think it has great scope. Like I have worked with Madhubani. Madhubani is something which wasn't very popular, but again I'm trying to make it more popular by making modern outfits out of it. And this collection is an ode to womanhood. It's ode to the Women's Day, which is on 8th of March. And my showstoppers are Ritupanda Shengupto and Polumi Ghotok and Dr. Shashi Paja. So I think they are wonderful women and they ought to be my showstoppers.
আমি
I want to make it more popular so that people all over the world think how beautiful a Baluchari sari is, the weave, or how beautiful a Dhakai is. So even the foreigners come forward to promote it and wear it. I wish I can make it that popular so that next time when Angelina Jolie goes to get an award in Cannes or Oscar, then she thinks of wearing a Baluchari gown and not a velvet gown. So that's what I want.
Agni has always this power of enthralling people with her designs and fabrics and her work. She's very creative. She's a dear friend. So I think everything has fallen in place, and I think Bengal Fashion Week deserves a special mention. It has been organized very nicely. As Agni said, that it's a hub of lot of talents, but yet we don't have so many good fashion weeks. But this is, I think, we will look forward to, and I think this should be done, much more frequently. All the saris, all the motifs, all the dresses were fantastic, and what I'm wearing is absolutely stunning. So I enjoyed the show.
Yes, walking the ramp was an unusual experience for me.
ছবি তোলা নিয়ে নিতে পারো।
Well, I enjoyed it on request of Agnimitra Paul, and really there's a blend of what I am doing, the work I'm doing, and what happened out here. But it was nice because all women in one stage from different walks of life. So women's empowerment, somewhere the message of women's empowerment is there.
Thank you so much.
And the way we were acknowledged by the esteemed audience out here, they appreciate the work that we are doing.
out for some time, and I really enjoyed the show, and I love Agni's collection, so I did it for her.